Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, sir. Light it up. I light it up. I light it up. Uh-huh. I light it up. I light it up. I light it up. You can call this a warm up, like the tip of it just to see what the smoke does. Feeling so ferocious when I spit. When I'm like this, ain't nigga, check my eyelids, they lower than usual, and it's feeling like I'm flying. Got the kush that'll put some hair on your chinny chin. I see the blunts in, light another. Let's begin with different types and the fragrances in my windpipe. Replace my oxygen with this, and I'll be alright. Walking down the street with a perma high. See the neighbors walk by, saw away to them with barely open eyes. I think I'm on that cloud 9 times 1 trillion. Run the joint back so I can feel what I'm missing. Take a deep puff, hold the smoke, then you inhale. Let your breath go through your nose with the exhale. Spitting real facts, got the stuff for that cataracts that'll put you on your back. You don't know about that. I having visions of me blowing up in a different time, steady puffing while I'm writing these rhymes. I never hesitate to smoke the peace pipe while it's in sight. Douse the lights cause it's getting kinda bright. Man, I'm in flight when I'm steady huffing and puffing that good green. I'm on my own level like I'm with Wiz and Taylor G. Trying to think of a line to end it with, so I take it hitting left field is where I'm finna land this. Take a look, tell me what y'all think, comment on it, just share your opinion.